Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share a Spotify playlist with your friends. So here I've already on the Spotify app, and here you can just choose the playlist that you want to share. So for example, I'm going to just share my playlist on my library. So click on the library and then choose the playlist that you want to share. For example, in here I'm going to select these playlists right here, the playlist one. So what you need to do is just click on the three dots icon in here, and then if you scroll down there will be this share button, so just tap on share. Then you can click on the copy link, or if you want to directly share it with your friends on other social platform like Instagram or WhatsApp, you can just click on this options right here. But I'm going to just click on the copy link, and in here, for example, I'm going to share it with my friends on the Google Chat. So let's open the Google Chat. Okay, for example, I'm going to share with this one. So just paste the link and then hit on enter, and as you guys can see here, the playlist will be shared. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.